Hey, what's up guys, my name is Anshul and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today in this video, I want to talk about this iPad Pro 11 inches that had been sitting around in the corner very sadly in some sad dusty corner and not making a lot use of it. But very recently, I started to make use of this iPad and I have some great reasons to tell you that why you should buy your own iPad Pro in this year 2023, and even if this iPad does make a lot of sense in this year or no. Now, one thing straight out of the box is that this is not a device where you would want to use an oversized Instagram or Snapchat or whatever social media application you have in your mind. Also, this is not a spare device to send and receive calls if you for some reason broke or lost your smartphone. Wi-Fi or the cellular models do not support cellular phone service. They support cellular data transmission only. To make phone calls on any iPad model, you need to have a Wi-Fi calling feature enabled along with your iPhone, whatever iPhone you have with you. So the question is that for what people is this iPad made for? Well, I may or may not have this answer, but I want to tell you in this video what things made me use this iPad as my daily driver, and if all those things fit into your list as well, and may this device be useful to you or no. So on to the number one reason would be drawing on this iPad. Every year Apple would release an iPad and they would talk so much so about this amazing drawing tool on the iPads, and I never gave a damn to it because I did not actually know how to draw until I was forced to draw in the recent time to start my own smartphone case business. Now, iPad has the best drawing tools like Sketch and Procreate, and even if they exist on the Android counterpart, the experience is much better on the iPads. I recently started a smartphone case / vinyl skin wrap business, and I started to use these tools and I realized that wow, something was missing from my life, and a tool that I had just in front of me for the past 18 months and still I was not able to utilize is just for the reason that I was afraid to draw. Well, now I know that I was missing something and I do not really suck at designs anymore. Here is my iPad and here is a wallpaper that I created, and yes, it is an awesome one and it looks just sick. Now, the second thing that I started to use this iPad was for the UI/UX designing, because I just learned a course from Google for developing my portfolio into a very good one. Well, again, I realized that my hand-drawn wireframes were not too good enough, and that was when I started to use this iPad for the very same use. Only after I started to use this iPad, I started to feel confident in building my portfolio. Even more important is that Figma and Adobe XD are supported on these iPads, and yes, I love making mockups and wireframes and assigning my peers and friends to a task to review my work and get some user feedback on my designs. You can create better designs, long press on the screen to open a menu, to start commenting, viewing files and looking into the flows. You can use stickers, templates, plugin and much more on this iPad. I created a prototype for my Google project and that was named as Photo Noob, and I shared and created all my work on this iPad and I got 100 out of 100 reviewed by my peers on this Google course on Coursera.com. So yes, well, this was a very useful application to me, and if you're someone who is into UI UX designing and you want to experience something, this one over here is the perfect tool for you for the starters. Now, on to the third application is nothing but the Final Cut Pro, iMovie and the DaVinci Resolve. I want to talk about the Final Cut Pro first for people who cannot afford machines that are expensive and want to edit videos that does not take days to process. Buy an iPad with M series of chip inside and you are now a solo traveler, a freelancer, a digital nomad, traveling from place to place, filming and editing videos in a device that is powerful, efficient and not having to carry around with you. This iPad is no-brainer recommendation for people or for someone who needs just a video editing tool. And what makes it no-brainer is the cheap Final Cut Pro plan. That is the most interesting thing that I wanted to share in this video. It is not the full-blown version of it, but come on, it has the effects, it has the presets, it has the animations options, it supports multi-layers which sucks on the iMovie of course, then it has voice enhancements like compressor to enhance the voice on your videos, and it even has the color corrections and overlays, and every bit of this application is just mind-boggling. For DaVinci Resolve, all I have to say is that hats off to the best implementation of the video editing software on the iPads. The last video that I uploaded on this YouTube channel was edited completely on this DaVinci Resolve, and I'm thinking to edit this one on this Final Cut Pro on this iPad because yes, I love every bit of simplicity on all these applications that we have for the video editing on the iPad. So yes, now you do not have to buy a complete MacBook for this because you can do the very same thing in the lightest package on this iPad. Well, now on to the fourth application that I want to mention in this video is the Notion application over here. And yes, this is something that I've talked over and over in so many videos that I've published on this YouTube channel, and oh boy, I just love this application for so many reasons. Again, I write all these scripts on the Notion application on my iPad now. I have a mini 60% keyboard from Logitech which I purchased for like 60 Canadian dollars on an Amazon sale. And what I do is that I carry my iPad and the keyboard to a coffee shop or my backyard maybe sometimes and spend a good time over writing these scripts for the videos. You can create your own templates, schedule calendars, write off tasks to your teams, collaborate on Jira's and Figma files, and way much more. Also, this application does not sync over something like iCloud or Google Drive or OneDrive, which means that everything you write over Notion.com is safe. And yes, you have some AI generated templates as well. And there is so much going on in this Notion application over here. So yes, Notion is the #1 application that I do recommend everyone to use. Well, these were all the cases that I used my iPad for, and of course, you can edit photographs, watch YouTube videos in high quality, write some quality emails, and also you can do some signatures, do FaceTime calls, and much more on the iPads. But yes, these were the applications and the things which make the iPad very special to me, and not just the Apple ecosystem or the regular applications that may or may not be very useful to me. So yes, if you are someone who is planning to buy an iPad and the above is something which makes you feel that it relates to your hobbies or day-to-day tasks / job, then go and buy the iPad. Else I would say put your money on a laptop or save it for something else. So yes, that was all about this video, and I hope that after watching this video, your iPad does not sit around in a sad corner, not being charged for a few months just like my iPad used to be. And also you make a good buying decision if you're looking to buy an iPad or a laptop in this market in the year 2023. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me for more videos. Thanks for watching. My name is Ashil, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.